Today we are at Zebra to explore the ET40-45 tablet range from Zebra. We're going to talk about a few topics on the ET40-45 range with Zebra. We're going to talk business, key features, performance, easy to use, and value for money. So today we're going to start off with the Zebra ET40, which is in an 8-inch. We get the ET40 in a 10-inch, and we get the ET45 also in an 8-inch and 10-inch. One of the key performances and key aspects of the tablet is it comes with a built-in scanner, and it's not just a tablet. We could use this in the retail environment, in the hospitality, for inventory management, in T&L, which is your transport and logistics, for proof of delivery, proof of signature, image trackers. We could also use this in the spaces of your healthcare for patient journeys, to track patients. So it's not just a tablet. It has your 1D and 2D scanner, which is all you need. So why choose the ET40-45 range from Zebra? Because it's cost effective, because it's not just a tablet, it has a built-in scanner, it has a life cycle of 6 years, it has a low TCO, and it is sleek and easy to use. Call Rectron now to get your pricing.